Hello guys, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So welcome to another session. So guys, in this particular video, we are going to talk about NISM certification and how these particular certification are helpful for candidate those who are preparing for RBI Grade B or any other regulatory bodies examination, right? So like there are few questions from the candidate side कि आपको ये certification करनी चाहिए या नहीं करनी चाहिए, right? और अगर करने चाहिए तो कौन से करने चाहिए सो वी विल बी टॉकिंग अराउंड दोज एरियाज ओनली राइट so as you can see there are many certification examination which are generally conducted by NISM sometime or like let's say if you are working as a in apart from the like in general business like let's say if you are having some sort of distributorship for mutual fund so you have to have go for the certification, but that is not for your forte. That is like something which is different. Or even for the insurance, there are some examination in NISM, NCFM. Sorry, ठीक है. So they are mandate kind of to become the agent or distributor. Now, if you see the course content of these particular one, they do have some sort of relevancy with your regulatory bodies examination also. But like there are two type of candidate one who is let's say if you are if you just have started your preparation with regulatory bodies any examination like RBI grade B, so in that case I will not suggest these particular thing because your focus should be around your keywords which are part of your curriculum itself, right? So where you will be requiring more and more practice for phase 1 and phase 2 you have to build the concept and the descriptive writing. But if you are preparing for RB grade B examination and you have done with the curriculum part in one go, and let's say if you are preparing for 6 months or 1 year, or let's say if you have attempted 2025 examination, now if you are having some time apart from your practice portion, so in that case you can go for these certification. Like at the time when you will fill your DF, you can mention about the you have done NISM 5 and NISM 8 or any specific certification. So there are chances that they generally ask question around those particular topic also, right? So two ways. One is if you are a beginner, novice, please ignore these one. Just stick to your curriculum. But if you are like if you have done with your preparation, now you are at the practice phase, then you can explore these particular certification. तो पहला करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए, ठीक है. दूसरा आपका कौन से सर्टिफिकेशन जहां पे सबसे ज्यादा रेलिवेंस है. तो देर आर 2-3 एग्जामिनेशन लाइक लेट्स से if you are going for RBI grade B or the common one. So in this particular case, if you come to the NISM, everything is available. Course content and everything. You do not have to purchase any course in anything. So सब कुछ आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा वो भी even free में. The only thing is you have to enroll for the examination and you have to go to the exam center and same time once you'll finish the exam 50% is required to pass this examination. So once you'll click, your result will reflect at the same time. The good thing is you do not have to wait the result and other things. So दूसरा, if you'll come to the NISM certification, if you'll click here, so here we have number of exams. Okay, if you want to test the basic things आपका, there is a SEBI investors awareness test is also there. This is free for all. So just click on this one. There will be 50 question or something, and आपका within 1 hour you have to solve all those particular one, and it is free. And they'll issue pass on a certification also if you pass that particular one. And everybody pass that exam. Very basic one. Now from here onwards we have like derivatives. This is one. If you want to build some concept around the derivative things, very useful certification आपका, and the content is also very good. So we have equity derivative, commodity, currency, and the other आपका areas which are generally part of this particular one. ठीक है. But mostly people go for this NISM. It is called NISM 5. So NISM 5 1 and the NISM 8 आपका inclusion of these particular certification. So these are the two which you will see कि you'll be having some sort of relevancy which will also help you in your overall curriculum itself, right? So like this is the overall areas. आपका the fee is 1500 plus GST. 2 hours session will be there. The exam will be for 2 hours. 100 question, 100 marks. आपका pass marks is आपका 50%. ठीक है? So means you have to score 50 anyhow. So pass percentage is this, and the certificate which will be valid for next 3 years. This is the course आपका the general guidelines and all. ठीक है? Now if you come to this particular one ना, so you can see there must be आपका free. हाँ, स्टडी मटेरियल आपका यू कैन डाउनलोड इट फॉर फ्री। लाइक इफ यू जस्ट वांट टू स्टडी, अगर आप एग्जाम नहीं भी देना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए आप क्या कर सकते हैं, जस्ट यू हैव टू एंटर योर नेम, नंबर्स एंड अदर्स, एंड विद दैट दे विल गिव यू द एंटायर बुकलेट आपका। तो वो बुकलेट आपको मिल जाएगी, the detailed booklet. It is not about earlier they used to share the summary only, but now they are sharing the entire course curriculum जो भी आपका उसमें है, और उसी के हिसाब से they design the paper itself. Now one another certification is that is dedicated to आपका, there are many people who preparing for IFSCA nowadays. Every year IFSCA coming with their notification. So if you are preparing for IFSCA grade A and grade B examination, so this certificate is aapka bit useful, right? So I have seen that particular one where it is actually, it is not coming down aapka this, just a minute, certificate examination, they must be there only. I have gone through that particular one earlier on the aapka normal IFSCA, that should be there only, right? So if you'll come to this particular one, if you'll open on your mobile or your आपका, हाँ, mobile or your laptop itself, ठीक है, so it will come under this particular one itself. हाँ, this is the one, sorry. So IFSCA certification, if you go for this one, so NISM IFSCA certification courses और IFSCA AML and CFT, ठीक है, तो this is something आपका certification course आपका, this one I'll be suggesting you. So like let's say you will see your notification around July, August, most probably for the 2026. So if you want to prepare that IFSCA Act or the different provisions around that particular one, so you can go for this particular one. Okay? Again, study material, exam, everything is available in this case. So that will provide you concise or the detail, basically the whatever study material you require to prepare that IFSC Act, which is part of your examination also. So that is generally given in this particular one. But again, I'm telling you कि अगर आप बिल्कुल नए हैं तो इन सब चीज़ों में बिल्कुल भी ना पढ़ें, ना ही आपका NCFM, ना NISM, ना DBF, ठीक है, डिप्लोमा इन बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस, दैट इज अनदर वन. सो बट इफ यू आर आपका, इफ यू हैव डन योर प्रिपरेशन, आपको लगता है कि कॉन्सेप्ट वाइज अब हो चुका है पूरा, अब सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस पे टाइम और एडिशनल टाइम मिल रहा है, तो वहां पे वो आपका जो DAF फॉर्म है उसको थोड़ा सा सजाने के लिए और नॉलेज के लिए यू कैन गो फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. ठीक है, तो अगर आप जा रहे हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन ऑल्सो. सो वंस यूल अप्लाई, आपके नियर बाय सेंटर घर के आसपास ऑलमोस्ट हर एक सिटी के अंदर इनके जो भी टियर 2 टियर 3 सिटीज आपकी हैं, ठीक है, हर जगह आपको इनके सेंटर मिल जाएंगे. You can select your date and time also while you fill that particular one, and accordingly you can appear in the examination also, right? तो ये एक कुछ courses हैं जो आप explore कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, NISM का वेबसाइट ओपन कीजिए, वहां पे आपको you just have to register अपना email ID और numbers. उसके बाद they'll show you the certification courses, कौन से कोर्सेज और किस एग्जाम को आप टारगेट करें उसके हिसाब से यू कैन गो फॉर दिस. द कोर्सेज व्हिच आई हैव टोल्ड यू, दैट इज समथिंग कि जैसे डेरिवेटिव है और आपका म्यूचुअल फंड, आपका NISM 5 है, ठीक है, दीज विल हेल्प यू इन केस ऑफ सेबी, आपका RBI और PFRD इन दीज एग्जामिनेशन ऑल्सो. ठीक है, एंड IFSC को अगर आप डेडिकेटेड टारगेट करें देन गो फॉर IFSC ओनली, दैट विल हेल्प यू इन दैट पर्टिकुलर केस इटसेल्फ, राइट? So apart from this, if you are preparing for 26 any regulatory bodies examination, so you can also access our batches. So here you can see the RBI grade B, then aapka regulatory bodies super pal, you can use my name as a code, MAHESH Mahesh, so you will get additional discount on these particular prices. If you are planning for multiple regulatory bodies, then go for this one. Okay, there is no point aapka investing that much. Otherwise aapka, if you have only आपका target of RBI, you can go for this one. This will include everything, every examination which we will be conducting during that particular period itself, right? तो ये आपका, अगर इसके अराउंड आपकी और भी कोई क्वेरीज है, ठीक है, वो NISM हो, NCFM हो या DBF हो या अदर्स कोई भी ऐसी क्वेरीज आप लोगों की हैं रिलेटेड टू दीज पर्टिकुलर सर्टिफिकेशंस विद आपकी जो अभी प्रेजेंस कंडीशंस है उसके हिसाब से भी अगर आप थोड़ा सा पूछना चाहते हैं, you can mention into the comment section. I'll try my best to help you out with this. So wish you all the very best for your preparation guys. बिल्कुल लगे रहिए, फोकस होके आपका पहले लिस्ट डाउन कर लीजिए कौन से क्लास, कौन से एग्जामिनेशन को आप टारगेट कर रहे हैं, एंड डू नॉट डेविएट फ्रॉम दोज पर्टिकुलर टारगेट. ठीक है, लेट्स से इन 26 यू आर गोइंग टू prepare for RBI, SEBI, PFRD, IFSC. Just stick to these particular one. और कुछ आता है उसको इग्नोर कीजिए, जस्ट फोकस एंड स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन. So wish you all the very best and see you in the classes. Thank you.